Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and app settings to your Google account or local storage so you can restore later. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 50% or keep the phone plugged in to avoid interruption. You should also note your Google account credentials and remove any micro SD card. These steps prevent lockouts and data loss during the factory reset process. You now execute the reset. Go to Settings, then System, Reset Options, and tap Erase All Data Factory Reset. When prompted, enter your PIN or password to authorize the action, then confirm whether to erase internal storage as well. Make sure you understand that this deletes accounts, apps, and settings. The phone will begin wiping data and will reboot. This can take several minutes and sometimes restarts multiple times. Be patient and avoid interrupting power. Finish by completing the initial setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and restore backups to bring apps and data back. If you encounter factory reset protection, sign in with the Google account previously on the device to unlock it. This prevents unauthorized resets. If the device doesn't boot or setup fails, try booting into recovery mode to perform the wipe again, and if necessary, reinstall the factory image. These steps resolve most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.